You also want to make your Instagram account look amazing. Here is my tips, or you can say apps to make it happen. Let's get started. Okay, so first tip I would like to give you to use your phone's manual mode, and if your phone doesn't support it, then use camera FA5 on Android or any other app if you are using iOS device. A manual mode will help you to play with the functions of your camera, which will help you to edit your photos easily. Second tip I would like to give you is to edit your photo into Lightroom Mobile, because Lightroom Mobile gives you every single feature that you need to edit your photo into your smartphone only. The third tip I would like to give you guys is to import your photo into the GBox or GramBox app, which has every single feature you need before uploading the image on Instagram. Okay, moving on to the fourth tip, which is to use Caption Plus and get yourself some amazing captions and hashtags, which you can directly copy it from this app.